Come here. Come here. Give me that pussy. Oh, you wanna give me that pussy? Oh, alright. I'm gonna just take that pussy then. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, I like when you play hard to get. Oh yeah, let me get you behind the TV. Yeah. Come on, you little pussy. Bring your pussy
That was
out.
my chest.
Yo, he's so cute. I got you where I want you now. Get down on all fours. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Let me beat that up. Oh, I'll get it from the back. Oh, you want else? What you want to do? You want to put your ass in there? Ooh. Oh, I like when you bite. Ooh. Kiss my neck. I like when you kiss that spot. Ooh. Right there. Oh, shit. Now you want me to smell your ass. You want to put it in your ass? Oh, yeah. I'll play hard to get, too.
Oh,
Thinks
my
it's a toy
belly.
or something. Get him, Moko. Get him, Moko. Oh, yeah, you suck my dick. Yeah, nigga, I like when you suck my dick, nigga. Ooh. Yeah, just like that.
Oh, Moko's mad now.
Yo, Moko got his ass in the air like he ready to
He's not. He doesn't have his butt in the air. It's his back is arched and his fur is all fluffed up, just like a cat or a dog when they sense a threat.
I know, but he's not even barking or growling at him.
Oh, my stomach! He keeps jumping over me. I'm not a hurdle. Get him, Moko. Get him, Moko.